A town named Oia in Santorini is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning views of the caldera and the Aegean Sea. Oia is located on the northern tip of the island and is famous for its blue-domed churches, whitewashed buildings, and narrow cobblestone streets. The town is also known for its picturesque sunset views and luxury hotels and resorts. Oia was originally a fishing village, but it gradually developed into a town due to its strategic location on the island's cliffs. The town has a rich history and has been inhabited since ancient times. During the Venetian period, the town was an important commercial center, and many of its houses were built by wealthy merchants. Oia is famous for its Cycladic architecture, characterized by its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and narrow alleys. The town's buildings are constructed in a way that allows them to withstand earthquakes, which are common in the area. Many of the buildings have been restored and turned into boutique hotels, restaurants, and shops. Oia is known for its spectacular sunset views, which attract large crowds of tourists every evening.